So this is the easiest thing you can play on the Mbira dzavadzimu. Starting on the right hand side, you skip this note here and you count 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the only 4 notes. Starting on this note, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then for the second cycle, you skip the third one, like 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then let's go to the left hand side. You skip 1, 2 notes and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4 notes. And then you do the exact same pattern that you did on the right hand side. So it will go like this. And then you join both parts. So to make it more interesting,